So here they are in all their glory. These are the New Balance 550s, a shoe that has skyrocketed to popularity in the past recent months. It's honestly getting hard to avoid them when scrolling through Instagram. I decided to get a simple black and white colorway because this will allow me to pair them up with just about anything, and also because the resell on some of the other colorways is absolutely outrageous. The colorways are really cool, and I guess I can kinda see why they're going for that much. I really love the retro look of these sneakers. They're perfect for the baggier vintage look that is so popular nowadays, and let me tell you guys, I'm all for it. I think they are a great alternative to all the Nike sneakers you see out there, and they're also slightly more affordable. Alright, now I'm gonna take you to my closet and we'll see just how easy these are to style. Come on. So like I said, these shoes fit into a more retro, oversized aesthetic. With this in mind, the outfits we put together should also stay in that general look. I think this brown H&M hoodie is a great place to start, and I'm gonna try to make a nice relaxed fit based off of this. Let's go. This hoodie is minimal yet different, and I love my earth tones, so it's perfect. I'm gonna tuck it into these black jeans, which are also from H&M. Tucking in your sweatshirts, in my opinion, enhances the look and gives it that vintage edge. It also makes your legs look longer, so that's always a plus. Moving down, we have the New Balance 550s, of course, which are low-key but still fill their role in this outfit. Finally, I finish off all my looks with some simple silver rings. And I think for this look I'm gonna add a tote bag just to add some finishing touches to the look. Now that we're done creating this outfit, it's time to show it off. With this next look, I'm gonna make something similar to the last one, but just make it a lot brighter. If the last outfit was for the fall season, then this one is certainly for the spring. Let's see what I can do. Now, for this next look, I'm actually wearing the item that I want to style, so let's take this off so you guys can see. This is a simple gray sweatshirt from H&M, and it's perfect. It's a lighter tone, and it's such an easy piece to pair up, so this will be the piece I work from. Keeping up the light theme, a simple pair of blue jeans will do the trick. It's nothing crazy, but it's perfect for the look I'm going for. These are a straight fit pair, meaning that they aren't too skinny, but also not quite as baggy as the black ones in the previous look. And on the bottom we have the New Balances, looking as great as ever. Once again, we're finishing off this look with the same minimal jewelry, and also the cream tote, which is from Uniqlo if you guys are wondering. This one's gonna be good. Let's go see. Phew, definitely one of my favorite looks, but let's switch things up a bit. Let's say the weather gets a little colder and we need to bundle up. Come on. So because of this cold weather, we are starting off this outfit with a gray puffer jacket. I chose this gray one because it's something a little different from all the black puffer jackets. It's a bit of a statement piece and not quite as versatile, but when you style it right, it can create some seriously great looks. To keep it cozy, a pair of sweatpants will do the trick. But now the question is, do I want black or gray? Well, for this outfit, I think I'm gonna go with the black ones. This is simply because the black pair will match with the black bits seen on the sneakers. Speaking of the sneakers, of course it's the 550s. Like always, some minimal jewelry to finish off the look. I like a maximum of 3 rings for my personal style, but you can experiment with all different amounts and styles of rings. Let's see how you can be warm and stay stylish at the same time. Come on. So we've done a dark and a light fit, and now a cold weather fit. It's only fitting if we do a warm weather look. Come on. With warm weather, keeping it light and simple is key, and I think this black oversized tee will be perfect for that. Again, keeping it simple, these baggy blue jeans will go perfect with the dark of the t-shirt. I could have went with black jeans, but blue just feels right for the warm weather. New Balances on feet like always. And since this outfit is very simple, I need to spice it up with my rings and also my tote bag once again. Let's see how this casual warm weather look turned out. Now for the last outfit, I'm feeling a little lazy. And I'm going to show you guys how just changing one piece can completely switch up a look. Come on. And I'll be doing that by taking these blue jeans and putting them away. But no, I'm not going out without pants. Instead, I'm replacing them with these black corduroy pants from COS. Corduroy is a fabric that has made a great comeback, and it is great for adding some extra texture to your looks. Also, corduroy is synonymous with that retro aesthetic, so it's the perfect fabric to pair up with the 550s. Enough talking, let's see this new take on our look. With that concludes our looks for today. And if this didn't convince you to check out these sneakers, then I'm not sure anything will. They're truly a beautiful shoe, and I had so much fun styling them. You'll be seeing plenty of these in future videos, so make sure to subscribe if you like them. Anyways, that's all for now guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.